Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In today's video, it's a bit of everything. I have an Amazon haul, unboxing, also a little bit of thrift with me. And yeah, I'm showing you this item because I'm going to decorate this on our upcoming tablescape. Alright guys, let's get started.
Hey guys, we're here at Astrabula, like an hour drive, and my neighbor recommended this one right here. So let's see what we got inside.
The first item I seen in the shelves right here is the Courier and Ives dinnerware set, and I believe everything here it was $50. Next is this blue willow right here, and you seen this napkin ring before on my thrifting haul video, and I got that napkin ring here in Fat Sally's in Astrabula. And I believe this willow right here, it was made in Japan because of a very like cobalt blue color there. And a piece of this dinnerware, it was $6. This is like a consignment store, so their prices is different from Goodwill. Remember, I thrifted a third tray like this, which is black, and I painted it in gold now. And this one right here, it was an antique, and it is very, very beautiful in person. Right on the shelves right here, I believe this is pink transferware, and I cannot see the price, but it is really nice looking. And here's another blue willow Japan made creamer, and it was $25. This is vintage. In the shelves right here, I see few pieces of delf here, and yeah. And right over here, it's all about the whole teapot. And I actually have this teapot, guys, that I thrifted. This warehouse, it was huge. There's downstairs and upstairs. I love the look of this planter right here, and for me, it looks like antique. But unfortunately, there is no price on this.
Well, you can see a lot of different things in here. Oh, this little tea set. Oh, look at this. 1946. Wow.
This area right here, I see a lot of unique pieces, but this one is my favorite. I really love the detail of lavender color there. It was very cute.
Oh yeah, $30. Chicken, I think.
This quad-plated silver teapot right here, it was $25, and it looks very nice. Now we're here upstairs, and again there's a lot of vendors in here, and see prices at $2.50 for just the saucer, and I'm not sure if together with the cups. And I think this one is also made in Japan. Set of 4 1940s lemon team, $25. This nautical teapot and warmer right here by Andrea Sadik, it was $40. This pair of Avon Cape cups right here, it was $8. This Magnetor tea set right here, it is very cute. reminds me of Old Country Roses pattern. This vintage olive green goblets right here, I do love the color on this and it's perfect for fall. The sunflower teapot right here, it was $18. I think it is a little bit pricey for me. Alright everyone, they also have a vendors outside, so let's go there.
Oh, they have a good Spode over there. Let's see it right away.
So guys, I asked the vendor how much is this queensware right here. And she said it was $1 a piece because she has to let it go because it's already end of the day. Alright guys, so here I was at Miscellaneous Barn and look at those miniature teapot. I did go here for this guys and I will let you know later why. Hey guys, so I was on the hunt for Denise Real Albert. And I finally found it here in the Miscellaneous Barn, and everything is $200, which is very very cheap. I wish I got this by myself. And yeah, so everything, because she was looking for this item made in England and she wanted the one in wafer, which is almost like $1,000 there on Macy's. Macy's is by itself this and 6 cups and saucer is already like almost over 800 bucks or 500, I think 512, something like that. And this one, so it came with that. Let me go over here. So this is the store. So the owner of this store messaged me on Instagram and she said, because I was looking for mine too, so all the set, the platter by itself is already like $98. The soap bowl is expensive, and look at those, it's very pretty. So Denise, I'm so glad you have this. So they're going to ship this to her, and yeah, the teapot right there is so pretty. So this is such a good deal. Right guys, my very first one to show you is this package right here, and I would like to shout out my friend Martha of Divine Inspiration by Martha. She sent this to me because when she watched my thrift haul video, she seen the similar vase that I have there and she has the base as well. So she did call me and she told me she wanted to send it to me because she don't use it anymore. And you will recognize this vase when I'm going to show it to you later. So she sent me 2 pieces of them, and the other one, the vase by itself, the glass vase, it was damaged, but I told her to just send it to me. I'm going to fix it. And here it is guys, the bow vase that I thrifted. Now I have 3 of them and I cannot wait to style this tomorrow, so stay tuned for tomorrow's Tablescape video. And here's the damage right here, but I'm not worried about it because I can fix it. Thank you sis Martha for sending this to me. You are very nice to send this to me. And now I have 3 of them and I cannot wait to show it to you tomorrow in our upcoming summer tablescape. Please visit her channel because she do an amazing when it comes to tablescape ideas. You get a lot of inspiration from her. So I will leave her link in my description box and please check her out. Next is this Turin visible ball from Royal Albert, and I would like to shout out my very good friend Denise of Denise Glam Style Living. I did show it to you earlier when I do those thrift with me in Miscellaneous Barn. So this is my talent fee. That's what we called it. So I have 2 cups and saucers. I have 2 appetizer and 1 Turin vegetable soap ball. Thank you so much sis for this gift. Now this is an addition for my Old Country Roses. Please check her video of unboxing of Royal Albert. The link will be in my description box. Next is this heavy duty white and gold silverware right here, and shout out to Laura, my friend, the owner of Stage 2. So she did sell this to me for $20 and it was very heavy. I love the detail. And here's my very first Wedgwood Queensware dinnerware, and look at the detail, guys. I don't know what this called. And here's the backstamp. You have these pieces, please let me know in the comment section. I was wanting this dinnerware for a very long time, but this is very expensive. And you can see over here for 5 pieces is $150 in online, Etsy or eBay. And I got this a piece for $1 because they already almost closing when when we're there. So I got this in a very good deal. So I have 2 sets of them, 2 table setting. Now I need to find 4 more, and I don't know if I can find more of this because I know it is very, very expensive. So actually I have a saucer, but I'm not sure where is the box that I put it. But right now I'm showing you only the 4 pieces, but I actually have the 5 piece of this per setting. And this is hard to come around in Goodwill at all, so either in an antique store or consignment store. Alright, next is this Spode right here. Oh my gosh, when I see this in the thrift store, I was like, what? So the 2 cups and saucer, it was $2.50, and this one is Spode. And I cannot pronounce the name of this, but it made from Copeland. And I'm just gonna show it to you by text here. I can't pronounce it, guys. Fitz Hug, I don't know. Yeah, so that's the name, and look at the detail. So I have a Spode dinnerware, and I believe this one will go well in that dinnerware. I was lucky to find 6 pieces of this. So guys, stay tuned tomorrow because I'm going to style this Spode pieces that I'm showing you. So tomorrow it will be a summer Spode tablescape video, and maybe I will do 2 styling ideas, so please let me know. Next is from Amazon. So this one right here, it was a napkin, and it is a blue Italian Spode napkin. I only have 4 pieces of this, so I will leave the link in my description box if you guys are interested. Next is another Spode right here, and it was a vase. And oh gosh, guys, this vase, it was very pretty. And I do love the shape and the detail of this blue Italian Spode vase. And it is not small, it's not large, so it is in the middle. So whatever flowers you put here, fresh flower, faux flower, it will look really great. So everyone, you will see this tomorrow. Next is this lemon placemat right here. I love the detail of blue there. So I bought this last year at Home Goods, so I am showing you this because I'm going to style this tomorrow. So I have 8 pieces of them. I already forgot what's the price of this because I purchased this last year. Next is this acrylic book stand right here, and I love it's not too big, it's not too small. So you will see this to be styled in my loft when I do my home tour for blue and white. My blue and white home tour is not ready yet because I am styling the tablescape, but you will see this very soon. Next is this lamp shade right here. I do have the other piece that I bought last year, but unfortunately they are out of stock. So I waited for almost 8 months before I found this available. And this is how it looks. I thrifted this lamp right here, and I'm not really a fan of the shades, and I do love it very much because it was a lion head, And when it comes to lion head, I love it very much. So every time I see those kind of stuff, I always pick it up in the thrift store. This lamp, I haven't installed it yet, so you will see this during my fall decorating. I already forgot how much I paid for this last year. And this is the book stand looks like. So right now, I put my large books there. And later, I am going to show you the small books. And this book came from Ollie's store. And this is how it looks. And sometimes I found a really good deals at Ollie's store. So I'm not sure if you do have an Ollie's store in your area. And here is the small version of books that I put there. And it's a perfect size. So it is very nice looking piece to style your books. The link of the Amazon haul will be in my description box, guys, if you're interested. Alright everyone, so that's all for today's video, and stay tuned tomorrow in our close collaboration of summer blue and white chinoiserie tablescape ideas. Me and Denise. Carole Reames already released her video, so I hope you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!